A study shows the Okmulgee National Monument created an economic benefit to the local economy of over $6 million in 2012.
Now people in charge there would like to see the monument area more than double in size. WGXA's Chase Ambrose has more.
The tent is ready for tomorrow's public input meeting on a proposed boundary expansion for the Okmulgee National Monument.
If the acquisition goes through, it would mean the addition of over 2,000 acres of land to the park.
Our current size is 702 acres, so this will take us over 2,800 acres, so nice expansion.
Property would be acquired from willing donors or sellers only and is subject to the availability of funding. And though the total cost of the expansion isn't known, Park Superintendent Jim David says the result would be priceless.
We will also plan on putting some additional trails. Right now, the property that we have down at Lamar, the trail to that goes through private property. Therefore, if we acquire that property, we can improve the access to Lamar, be able to get more visitors and so forth down there. So we're hoping to increase some both educational and recreational opportunities for the visitor with this expansion.
Expansion can only get underway with the passage of legislation by Congress. Chase Ambrose, WGXA.
The public hearing to discuss that expansion will happen tomorrow night at the Okmulgee Visitor Center from 5 to 8 p.m.